Have you ever wondered what to munch on while marveling at an eclipse? Welcome to the story of Eclipse Eats, a culinary adventure that pairs the cosmic spectacle with a feast for the senses. Picture this. A sunny day suddenly turns twilight. A family equipped with their eclipse glasses sit on a lush green field. Their anticipation is not only for the celestial event, but for the feast that accompanies it. The Eclipse Eats begins with eclipse empanadas, an ode to the celestial alignment. These savory pockets stuffed with black beans and cheese with a hint of jalapeno, burst with flavors as intense as the sun's corona. Following the savory, the solar slices make an appearance. This vibrant medley of oranges, mangoes and pineapples, arranged in a circular pattern, is like a slice of the radiant sun itself. Sweet, succulent and invigorating. And to round off this cosmic feast, the eclipse cookies take the stage. These rich chocolate treats, shaped like crescent moons, represent the phases of the eclipse. Each bite is a dance of darkness and light, a morsel of the universe itself. Eclipse Eats is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of the cosmos, a way to engage all your senses during this awe-inspiring event. It adds a flavorful dimension to the experience, making it more than just a visual spectacle. So next time the sun hides behind the moon, remember it's not just an eclipse. It's a chance to dive into a culinary journey that mirrors the cosmic ballet above. Eclipse Eats, where the universe and gastronomy collide.